Hello everyone, welcome to 2018 METALTECH Automations Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. My name is Dr. Kenny from Control Easy. Control Easy is a company specialized in machine vision and control automation systems. We are Matrox imaging authorized distributor in Malaysia, Indonesia and Thailand. Today I would like to show you about our Matrox imaging products in various industry applications. Over our booth, we have 6 machine vision stations in the industry's different sectors. To my right, the first station is bottle inspections in food and beverage industry. The vision inspections was constructed by Matrox GTR smart camera. We've come with Intel CPU and Windows embedded operating system or Linux operating systems. The smart camera also comes with 4 input and 4 output to read the sensor as well to turn on the output light indicators. The whole smart camera was programmed in Matrox Design Assistant flowchart based programming. What we have done for this inspection is first to read the barcode to indicate different flavor of the bottles, whether it's mango, mixed berry or strawberry. Next we are checking about the absent or present of the cap, so whether the cap was absent or present. So for instance, this is pass, this is fail. Alright, so we also check about the sear locate. Yep, the last layer of the sear, whether it's be pass, absent or fail, which is missing. So over here there will be fail and then pass. Okay, the last part we check is on the cap sear, whether the whole cap is seared properly or not. So over here we got a pass, and then after that we got continuous with the fail condition with not proper sear. Alright, following to the next station, done in IC inspections in semiconductor industries. So what we have inspect on this IC inspection is the spacings between the lead, so whether they got any defects or any bending on the lead. So over here you can see that all this measurement was done by using measurement tools and metrology, and reflect the width measurement unit in our table chart. So the big numbers at the last lead reflect some problem in the bending on the IC, which is 0.96 versus 0.21 for the spacings others between the lead. Okay, so this is IC inspections that what we have inspect. Alright, moving forward, we have our 201X METALTECH Matrox highlighted product in line scan inspections. So the whole machine vision inspections was constructed by Delta line scans together with our Matrox highlight products, frame driver, which is a camera link frame driver with model EVCL. So the whole processing on the inspection was done in Matrox imaging software library. Yep, with pattern matching function image processing. So you can see over here with higher score of the pattern matching scoring over than 90 reflect the good IC, which is matching to a reference image IC. Whereas for the lower scoring, 79 or 74 reflects some defect, like this is a printing defect and this is chipping defect. So over to the left, table show you the data on the capturing in a very high speed cycle time on this line scan processings. So the line scans image processing is a very crucial and important tools to be used when it comes to the industry like textile industry, printing industry, solar industry, panels, which need a very high-speed image processing and also continuous processing, and as well most of the time the object in a bigger size. Towards to my left, we have 2 stations. On top is packaging inspections, which is by DE camera together with Matrox design assistance. The capturing was done on the fly in a very high speed processing as well, and you can see that the whole processing and capturing by reading the string reader and OCR to verify the right product, okay, in the right box. So the whole capturing and processing is only take about 17 or 18 milliseconds. So this is to prove that Matrox have a very high speed function library in order to capture and process the image processing like a string reader or OCR in a very high speed cycle time. At the bottom, we have another machine vision demo station at electronic inspections, whereby to read the barcode at the MCB to reflect what barcode to what product model on the NCB to make sure that operator do not mix any different product at a different production line, as well as to inspect the switch position by using pattern matching. To the right is to be considered pass, whereas to the left is considered to be fair, comparison to our reference image. Okay. So now to the left, on the position of the switch, the image capturing was processed and determined to be at a fair result. So the highlight for this year 2018 METALTECH exhibition also focus in Industry 4.0 concept. So we are able to capture all the data from our vision camera, like barcode and pattern matching, and the whole data was stored in a local hard disk drive, as well as sent to our cloud computing. So over here we are using Google Cloud, and the whole data was sent to our Google Cloud. Over here you can see that the data have sent to our Google Cloud, and we have also did some SPC, statistic process control, to analyze our data from our machine, which is the data analytical part. So we can do the data analytic based on like SPC, for example production year, to examine, analyze how many units are passed, how many units are fair for today, or by week, by month, or by year. We also can do a data analytic on throughput, and also maintenance issue on the particular machine. So to prove that, now we have a total inspections 88, as well as 88 total inspection in our cloud system, in our Google Cloud. And also we have a total unit on pass 43 in a local drive, as well as a total unit pass in a Google Cloud. Also referring to the fair 45, and in the cloud also we got 45. This to reflect that the data will be updated in a real time, and also immediate updated in terms of any information from the local machine drive to our cloud computing. So on top of that also, all this Google Cloud and cloud computing was distributed to various our modern devices through Internet of Things concept. For example, like a smartphone, smartwatch, or tablets. Over here, we can prove also our smartphone able to update the same information, whatever, from the Google Cloud. The total unit is 88 now at a smartphone, and reflect the same numbers in the Google Cloud as well. Okay, so the next number is 89, 46 fair, and 43 pass, as well as in the phone for 89 total unit, 46 fair, and 44 pass. So in short, Industry 4.0 is the emerging of the advanced automations. Our sensors, which is machine vision over here to collect data, yeah, and then send through internet technology with even some AI's algorithms was applied to do some artificial intelligence on the classifications and identifications. So the whole Industry 4.0 surely will bring huge revolutions in our coming industry. So if you want to know more about Matrox imaging products, please log to our company website www.control-easy.com. Thank you for watching.